Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a tire on a GMC Canyon. First, ensure your safety by parking your vehicle on a firm, level surface, well away from moving traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. Next, retrieve your vehicle's jack and lug wrench, typically found under the passenger seat. The spare tire is usually stored beneath the truck bed, and you'll need its lowering tool. Before lifting, use the specialized tool from your kit to lower the spare tire from its position under the truck bed, usually accessed near the rear bumper. Once the spare is free, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them about 1/2 to 1 full turn counterclockwise. Now, position the jack under the vehicle's frame or rear axle at a designated jacking point. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the vehicle lifted, fully remove the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire off the wheel studs. Now, lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on the hub. Push the spare tire onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts onto the studs. Once all are in place, use the lug wrench to tighten them further in a star or crisscross pattern. This ensures even pressure and proper seating of the wheel, but do not fully tighten them yet. With the spare tire snug, slowly lower the vehicle until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. Now, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in the star pattern, applying significant force. Consult your owner's manual for the exact torque specification, often around 140 foot-pounds. Once tightened, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack and wheel chocks. Store your flat tire and all tools properly. Then check the spare's tire pressure at your earliest convenience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.